I remember coming home crying because I was bullied so much at school. One day I was actually teased 12 times and I said to myself, if only one more person comes and teases me, that's it. I'm done. I'm through. So at the end of the school day, I went in my wheelchair, going to the front, hoping that no one would see me, and a girl across the playground screamed out my name. "Hey, Nick!" Great, here it is. She came right up to me, she looked me in the eye, and she said, "Nick, I just want you to know that you're looking good today." And I'm like, oh, that's amazing. That's exactly what I needed. She had no idea how depressed I was and how sad I was. And sometimes you gotta, in your own daily walk, in your job, in your school, it's not about you and how you feel. Take a different view and see how you can encourage others, love others, and give them that inspiration.